drones, and along with me here I have Mr. Ajay Vishwat, the AVP of Airbotics Technologies. He has some wonderful products on display that we're going to learn more about.
Yes, definitely, definitely. So, Airbotics Technology, basically we manufacture drones as well as conduct the drone shows, drone light shows at various events, especially like weddings, as well as the company events, Silver Jubilee events, Army Day, Navy Day, Independence Day, Republic Day. So these kind of occasions, Janmashtami, Christmas, Diwali, Holi, so such kind of occasions, in any party or any events, we would conduct a drone light show. If you like to light up your sky with the drones, yes, we are Airbotics Technology for you. And we would be able to customize based on our customers' requirement. Some people ask us like for wedding, we need to have a face of bride, bridegroom, some kind of exchanging the garlands or something, so such kind of customization, animation also can be done from our side. So this is all about the light show, drone light show we does at Airbotics Technology. We operate in both north as well as south, northeast, and all other parts of India, pan India. So we have drone light shows varies from 100 drones to 1000 drones. So based on the animation and the number of characters required, the number of drones will be decided. And even the drone show timings could be from 10 minutes to 20 minutes, somewhere between that. So such kind of shows could be done possible by us. This is our drone light show. We do have one more product, that is Aerostat drone. So this Aerostat drone is basically a kind of a balloon which would be having a payload, that is our camera. This generally used for crowd monitoring, wildlife monitoring and surveillance purposes. So such kind of projects also we are working into. So recently we have did wildlife monitoring at the northeast, and we are into the defense sector as well. So we are doing the surveillance through such kind of Aerostat drones. The advantage of being with this Aerostat drone is that we have continuous power supply. So the continuous data also, video recording also would be obtained. And in case of any political events or any crowd, where the crowd management is coming into the picture, we can use such kind of Aerostat drones for the same. So apart from this, we are into other drone projects as well, which soon we would be in the production, which are in R&D phase. So myself, Ajay Vishwat, Assistant Vice President of the Airbotics Technology for you here. Thank you so much.
Most exciting is actually the air show drones.
Yes.
These guys manufacture their own drones and they provide the service as well. So it's a very eco-friendly concept.
Correct.
Instead of having crackers at an
Very
event,
true, very true.
celebrate with something that's eco-friendly, that's absolutely safe. You can't have an accident.
Correct. When it comes to the crackers, first thing is that it is polluting the environment. Second thing is that you cannot customize a cracker. You cannot make cracker to a line should come, it should walk. You cannot make a cracker in which your face has to appear. So with a drone light show, that all things are possible in it.
Can you imagine if you're a married couple, you could just have fireworks, but the other alternative that you have now with these guys is you can actually have the bridal couple lit up in the sky or
Yes.
something very personalized. Like how
Yes.
you have these fancy digitally printed cakes, you could
Yes.
have things like that up in the sky, well lit up. Very new technology and
Correct,
very
very-
innovative concept.
Yes. Recently, one of the marriages happened at the Bangalore. So the bride's father was not available because they are old and they are passed away. So they requested that we would like to get their blessings as well. So what we did is we try to make the image of that person, and they are giving blessings from the sky. Such kind of emotional things also attached to this drone light shows. So many customers ask in many other customizable things. So we do make for the customers such kind of animations as well.
So tell us something. All are these services available in India? Where all
The thing is that our company is at Gurgaon, but we are operating all over the India. Be it north or be it south, anywhere. So we are operating all over the India.
wonderful. And do you have like any angel investors or your
We are having our own investment. Yes.
wonderful? And what is your projection for the next financial year?
As of now, we have 900 to 1000 drones, and we are doing shows about 10 to 20 minutes. So the next year, we are planning to go for double the production of that. So like something like 2000 to 3000 drones or something like that. And we want to fly it for 20 to 30 minutes or even more than that.
Wow, wonderful projections for the years to come. Rohit, thank you so much for talking to us. We had a wonderful time learning about it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.